Okay, let's look at number 9. First thing I need to do before putting this into the calculator is distribute. So this becomes negative 4x, let's go ahead and change it to x, minus 12. What do you notice? How do you know they're the same? Let me put a sticky note here and cover up what's under this. I could rearrange this. Said if you guys were getting ready for geometry next year, I would go ahead and talk about the different properties we have. But given that you're going to Algebra 2, I'm not going to dump vocabulary on you. I'm just going to talk about moving negative 4x in front. What do you notice? They are what? Exactly the... So, on the last problem, there was an intersection, meaning I had one solution. So 2 is the only time that both sides in this problem would be the same. When will these be the same? Well, they're already the same. That means I have an infinite amount of x values that will make this side equal. Let me prove it. So this is going to go in F1. This is going to go in F2. Now, mind you, the 1 and 2, they change depending on how many functions you've actually typed in or expressions you've typed in. And we'll talk about the difference later because right now we're manipulating the calculator to give us what we want and to understand equations, okay? So I promise you we'll clean that up. Now, I need to do what to get out of the screen? Press escape. Good. I need to go to the graphing screen, so press the on button, or the home button. Now, you can go down here, the very bottom, arrow over, enter. Put in what was on the left side, 4x minus 12. Oh, forgot my negative. Let's talk about that real quick. Use this symbol for negative and that one for minus. Be careful when you do that, okay? That is a very common mistake. Negative 4x minus 12. Let's make sure that's what we needed to type in. Yes. You notice that's going to go in this box. And press enter. Press tab. This box. So I've already typed it in, and notice how it doesn't say 1 and 2, but it does show that I typed in the left side using function 7, the function 7 space, and then the right side using the number after 8. So they'll be one apart. Make sure you put negative 4x, meaning you use this one first, minus 12. Use that one. Press enter. Now, go to the table. How do you get there? Control what? What do you notice? They're all the same. So when does the left side equal the right side? When x is... So you have an infinite amount. Now, let's do one more example. Control doc. Add a graph. And let's put in number 8. Ooh, that looks ugly, doesn't it? Let's cross number 8 out. We're not ready for that. Too complicated. Let's do this one. 2x plus 1 equals 5x plus 3. Let's make that 5 a 2. Press enter. Press tab. Plus 3. Uh-oh. Look at that. Look at that. There's a dot right there. What did I press? The multiplication symbol. Oops. X. There we go. Plus 3. We press enter. Look at that. Do they cross at all? What do you think that means? The left side will never equal the right side. Never. There is not one number that I can plug into the X spot that will make both of those sides equal. And that's what you call no solution. So, infinite solutions. Why? This side will always equal that side. No solution. Why? This side will never equal that side. And one solution. Why? Because there was one number that made the left side equal the right side.